And welcome to eLearning Campus. Children, in today's class, we'll see how we can include two sprites in one program and how we can code them. So, let's start. So, here, whenever you open your Scratch project, by default cat will be there. So, first we'll delete this, and now we'll include three different sprites, and then we'll code them. So, first I want to include the spaceship. Okay, let's shrink it. Now I am using two different sprites. One, this Giga, and other one, this Nano. Okay, so now I'm going to use these two sprites here. These two sprites. So we'll see how these two sprites can talk to each other, and we'll do the coding for all these three sprites. Okay, I told you already that all the objects and characters that we can use in our Scratch programming, all these characters and objects are known as sprite only. Now first we'll choose one different backdrops here. Now from here I want to choose space backdrop, so let me choose stars first. One more backdrop I want to choose from space only. Okay, so I have chosen these two backdrops. Let me delete the first one. Okay, so now we'll work on these two backdrops only. So first let's start the coding for our spaceship. Now here, this is our spaceship. In this spaceship, first we'll take event when clicked. So whenever the flag is clicked, first we'll switch the backdrop. Switch the backdrop to stars. This backdrop we want when our project will start. Now we'll set its x and y location. So you can set x to certain location, say 180, and y will set it to 180. Okay, so now I have set minus 180 and 180 for x and y. So you know x negative means it will go this side at the corner. Okay, so x negative and y will be positive. Now from here to here I want to glide it. So first it will go here and then it will glide. So now I have set the x and y location. Now I'll set it for the glide. So you need to, if you want to change the glide location, what you have to do, you need to set your object at certain location, so the glide location will automatically be there. So this is my gliding location. If you want, you can change it a bit. So let's say I am changing it like minus 167 and minus 76. Okay, it's totally your choice what type what location you want to set for your spaceship or for your object. Now I want that it will glide in 3 seconds. I want to make it slowly, so that's why I have done this. Now I want that when my spaceship reached here at the position, after that I want to change the backdrop again. So now I am going to use again this backdrop, and now my backdrop will change to space only. Okay, like this. So first it will be stars, and when my spaceship will reach at the location, at desired location, then it will change to space. Now after that I am taking this thing, and then here I can write welcome on Mars. So this I have done for the spaceship. Okay, so this thing you can see from spaceship side only. Now I'll add one broadcast message here. In the broadcast only, I want to broadcast out now. So what I am planning here that first my particular these two aliens will be there inside the particular spaceship, and when my spaceship reached here, then only they will come out. So here I am broadcasting a message out now, and then we'll do the setting for this message only. Now out now, this is my message and that I am broadcasting from here. Now we'll do the settings for Giga. Now Giga is our first alien. So now again we'll take this when flag is clicked. Now I am changing the backdrop here for this Giga. First we'll change. First I want to hide it. Okay, it will be visible only when it will come out. So now I am setting it hide. Okay, and it will go back to one layers. Okay, so even if it will be there, it will go back one layer, means it will go behind the spaceship. Okay, no one can see it without getting the out now. So now it will go backside. Now I am switching the costume. So first let's check the costume for Giga. So this is Giga, and let's duplicate the costume. So here Giga is facing wait, let me change it. So this is Giga right, because it is facing right side. Now I want that this Giga will turn backside. So I am using this flip, and now I am giving it to name. It's better to use this one. Now I'm going to flip it, and now I'm giving it to name Giga left. Okay, why? Because it is facing left side. So that will be easy for me to do the coding. Now here I'll change the costume. First I'll set the costume. So I'll set the costume to Giga right. So my Giga will face right side only. Now I'll set the position for Giga. So X and Y position for Giga now. Now I am setting X to -160 and Y I am setting to -102. So this setting I am doing it for Giga now. Now I told you that when our spaceship will reach at the position, at that time our Giga will come out. So when we receive this broadcast message, come out. Okay, so now we'll do the coding for that out now. So when we'll receive the message out now, first we'll set show, because till now it's hide only. So now show, and then we'll glide it to certain position. Okay, so now I want that Giga to glide up to 199 and y -35. Now it will glide in 2 seconds. After that I'll switch costume for Giga, and Giga will turn to left, and after that it will say, now it will start talking to Nano, the other sprite. Now here I am writing, hey Nano, come out. we reached. Okay, so this is our message that our Giga will say. Now let it do it for 3 seconds. After that, it will glide to different location. I am changing its position again. So after saying this message, it will, in 2 seconds only, it will glide to 86 and 83. Okay, now it is gliding to different location. After that, I want to glide it again because I want to make it movable. So I am gliding it again, and then this time it will glide in 2 seconds again, but minus 77 to 74. This location I want to glide. Like this, it will first it will glide here, then it will go here and here only. Okay, so like this only I want it to glide. After that, again I'll change the costume for Giga, because we are setting the things for Nano also. So according to that only I am doing the things for Giga. Now I am moving it to right. Look, like this it will start gliding. Okay, now here we are doing things for Nano also. So that's why I wanted to wait for few seconds so that our Nano will also come out and Nano will also start speaking. Now let me finish the things for Giga and then only we'll do the things for Nano. So at the end it will say me too. Okay, now let's do the coding for Nano. So here in Nano, again we'll do the coding. So we'll start with when flag clicked only. So when flag is clicked, the same coding we want. Okay, so what we'll do, I'll duplicate the code from here. So to duplicate the code, what we need to do, we just need to move it from here and drop it to here at the Nano. Wait a minute. Now I'm moving it and dropping it to Nano. See, the same code is duplicated here only. So same position I want, but I want that Nano will go behind the Giga also. So I am setting it to go back 2 layers. First layer is the spaceship, second layer is the Giga. So it will go behind the 2 layers. So this setting I have done. Now here I want to do the costumes for Nano. Okay, so here I am taking Nano A. I'll show you the costumes here. So it's A, B, C, D. These are the costumes for Nano. Now come back to script area. So the same thing will happen for Nano also, because it will go behind. Now we'll do the coding when it will come out. Okay, so when Nano will receive out now, so first it will wait for 4 seconds. Why? Because first we have done the settings for Giga. So first Giga will come out, Giga will speak something, and then only Nano will come out. So here after 4 seconds only Nano will appear. Okay, so now we'll say show, and after that we'll take glide from here. Now it will glide in 2 seconds to the position minus 25 and x minus 124. These position I have already checked here, so that's why I am writing the same position so that it will not take extra time. Now we'll change the costume for Nano also, because we want that Nano is also talking. So we want to change its costume. Now I am changing its costume to Nano C. Now this time first let it think something. So first it is thinking, oh wow, it is very surprised. He's very surprised here. Now what a place. Now this I have done for Nano. Okay, now after that, after thinking something, Nano's let's change its costume. So now we'll change its costume to First we have done C, then we'll change it to A, and after that, see, we have done here that first it will say, hey Nano, come out, we reached. Now after that, Nano is talking, Nano is coming out, and it is saying, oh wow, what a place. And after that, it will change the costume and say, thank you Giga, and it will say this for 3 seconds. After that, I want it to glide somewhere else, just in front of the Giga. Now it will glide to a different location in 2 seconds. So now I want its position to 182 for x, and y should be minus 114. Now it will move or glide to this location. After that, I am again switching the costume here. So switch its costume, Nano B this time. Now after that, it will say, I love this place. Okay, it will keep continue saying this. I am not putting any seconds here, so it will keep continue saying this, and it will glide to different location. Now it will glide to 3 seconds here to 174 and 111. This is the position of y. Now let's see it's working. First our spaceship is coming, and then it is changing the backdrop. Welcome on Mars. Now Giga is coming out. Hey Nano, come out, we reached. Oh wow, what a place. Thank you Giga. Now I love this place. Now Giga, me too. So this is how we want here. Okay, now it is very silent movie now. So let's add some sound here. So now we'll add some sound here for this spaceship. Okay, so let's add some sound here when flag is clicked. So go to sound here. Now play sound. Now I want to add sound here. So let's add some sound. Go to here in the sound library. Go here. Now from here, I want to add space sound here. So where can I find the space sound? Let me check for this. Okay, go to all and let's check for the space sound. Okay, here I got the space sound. So now double click here. Okay, now I want to add one more sound here. So let's add one more sound here, and this time I want to add a different type of sound. Okay, fine. So I have added two sound. Now go back to script. Now here, so whatever sound you will add there in the library, you can see here. So first I am adding space ripple sound here. Now I want to add one more sound. So when flag is clicked, I want to add one sound which will play forever, means from starting till end. So in forever I am using one more sound. Say computer beeps too, and will say after 1 second in each repetition so that we can hear it properly. Now let's check it. Okay, here Nano, come out. We reached. Wow, what a place. Okay, now sound is coming perfectly. Let's hear it out. See, a spaceship is here. Welcome on Mars. Hey Nano, come out. We reached. Oh wow, what a place. Thank you, Giga. I love this place. Me too. So children, this is our project and how we can create it. So if you like our project, please like it, share it with your friend and subscribe my channel for further updates. Thank you.